Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore micro-investing with Acorns easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To restore micro-investing with Acorns, start by opening the Acorns app on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, log into your existing account. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. After logging in, navigate to your profile settings by tapping the profile icon in the top right corner. Within your profile, look for the Account or Settings section. Here, you will find options related to your account status and investment preferences. Check if your account is still active. If not, follow the prompts to reactivate it. Next, review your investment settings to ensure they align with your current financial goals. Look for options related to your roundup settings. Consider adjusting the roundups to meet your comfort level for automation. If you want to add funds, go to the Invest section within the app. Select the amount you wish to invest and choose the funding source. Ensure that your bank account is linked properly for smooth transactions. You may want to explore the diversified portfolios Acorns offers. Take a moment to read the descriptions of each portfolio option. Select the one that best matches your risk tolerance and investment strategy. After finishing your selections, confirm the changes by tapping the Save button. Acorns will now start investing your spare change based on your preferences. Remember to monitor your portfolio regularly for performance and adjustments. Set reminders to review your investment progress and make any necessary changes. Continue engaging with educational content within the app to enhance your investing knowledge. You are now set to restore your micro-investing journey with Acorns effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.